Tony Porter, how do you want me to introduce you?
Cardinals fan?
Oh, you sure?
Yeah. What's wrong with that?
Nothing. That's okay.
Where are you from?
Not Arizona.
I can tell.
Hey, I'm Miles. Welcome back to another episode of Tops Talk. I'm here today with Tony Porter. He is our senior energy consultant. Tony, super glad to have you here. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Today, we're going to talk about a couple of things that we get a lot of questions on, and quite frankly, we just felt like it would help if we had our consultant here to maybe answer those questions.
Okay.
Straight out of the gate, one that we get a lot is about premium products.
Sure.
A lot of people, obviously, when it comes to solar, it's a big investment. A lot of people want to save as much money as they possibly can.
Right. And
whenever you say the word premium products, people get nervous. People tend to shy away. Is that something you've noticed?
It is because people hear premium product and they think premium price.
Right.
Well, there is a value in everything that we buy, and this solar proposition, because people want to save money, getting the best product is the best way to save the most amount of money.
Okay. And that makes sense, right?
It is, because this is a long-term investment, and you do get what you pay for.
Yeah. And that was another question that I was actually about to ask is a lot of the times people don't understand Arizona is a very harsh climate on solar panels.
Oh, yes.
And, something that we've done our research on is that the premium products, specifically the ones that Solar Tops uses,
right,
can handle that a lot better than, say, a solar panel you buy from Home Depot or maybe something that you're saving money with up front.
Absolutely. Yeah. To give you an example,
Sure.
Our elite line is the REC 400 Alpha Pure. This module from the manufacturer, they're guaranteeing 92% of first-year production in year 25. So if we were giving you 10,000 kilowatt hours in year 1, in year 25, you're still receiving 9,200 kilowatt hours from that from that original. So this is where the value proposition is most important, and this is why we use the best inverters, the best racking in these 400 REC Alpha Pures.
That is a complaint that a lot of people have with maybe less premium products. I don't know what the proper word for that is, but it's...
Well, we used to refer to them as tiers. There was tier 1, tier 2, tier 3.
Yeah.
But in the last couple of years, REC has set a whole new bar, and I refer to them as elite. I do that. I don't do that lightly. When you get to a point where you've got a panel that has a 25-year full support from the manufacturer, that's what we're paying for when we buy it. That's why we put them on our own buildings here at Solar Tops, and that's why we're going to put them on your roof, on your home, on your business, because we've tested it, and we're using it to save money ourselves. And it's not only our investment, it's our product.
Yeah. Energy Sage gives them double thumbs up. It's
Yes.
I felt what has helped us kind of develop a name for ourselves are these premium products.
Right.
Awesome.
Yeah.
But a lot of people don't understand is when they get premium products or elite products even,
Sure.
They're not just buying a solar panel. They're getting warranties.
All the support. Absolutely.
Everything that they need, right?
Absolutely. That is why in all my communication with my people, I refer to our REC 400 Alpha Pure paired with the Enphase IQ7 Plus. I refer to that as our elite line. Mm-hmm. We have another line that we can get at a lower entry cost, mm-hmm. but for my people who want the longest term investment, the best return on their investment, I'm recommending the REC 400s and the IQ line. That combination of technology will be on their roof 25, 30 years from now, maybe more, doing what it was supposed to do, producing energy that they would otherwise be buying from the utility, and at what price 25 years from now?
Right, which is leaps and bounds from the other warranties that I've been researching.
Absolutely. REC has they call it their Pro Trust warranty. I send a copy of it to my customers before I meet with them, and then if you read it for yourself, you'll see there's full support. Labor is included if necessary. And the best thing about buying a premium line, an elite line, whatever you want to call it, is you're not going to need the service call because it's built that way. It was built to last in the first place. And it's not too bad that I work at a company that sells this elite line for less than my competition sells these even Chinese imports, all this stuff, I can still beat them on price. And so that's the spot where I'm at, and that's why I've been with Solar Tops for 10 years, and hopefully for the next 10.
That's a good spot to be in,
Yes.
right? So with these premium products, I'd imagine there's probably minimal maintenance that goes into it.
That's right.
Okay.
With solar, there's very little maintenance in the first place.
Sure.
Just got to rinse them off from time to time because we do get lots of production from soiling. I recommend to my customers, just rinse the panels off a couple of times a year, late spring, summer, when you need the energy the most. You'll get a lot more energy if you just rinse off the solar panels as best you can. Don't touch them, no detergents, brushing. Just rinse them off, keep them cleaner, and you'll get more production. That's all the maintenance our customers are required. Any service or anything like that, that's a one phone call to Solar Tops.
Awesome. Well, Tony, we really do appreciate your time talking with us about premium products. It really helps to have another perspective in regards to what is most important for a premium product, why premium products matter.
Right.
So thank you so much for discussing.
No problem. Premium products means premium results. That's